In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ship to on Dhgate 2026. Step by step. If you've ever seen items or shipping fees that don't look right, chances are the site is using the wrong destination. I'll show you how to change the ship to country before you shop, then update the shipping address at checkout so your order goes exactly where you want it. Start by opening the Dhgate website in your browser. If you have an account, sign in so the changes stick across your browsing session. To demonstrate, I'll head into the shoes and accessories category. You can use any category, I'm just using this as a clear example of where the controls appear. On the top navigation bar, look for the ship to setting. This small control tells Dhgate which country to use for stock availability, shipping methods, delivery times, and sometimes currency display. It's best to set this first, so what you see while browsing reflects your actual destination. Click the drop-down next to Ship To, then choose the country you want items shipped to. After you select it, the page may refresh. That's normal. Dhgate is filtering items and updating shipping options for that location. If something disappears or prices change slightly, it's because not all products ship to every country or they use different carriers. With the destination set, browse for the items you'd like to order. Product pages should now show shipping options and estimated delivery tailored to your chosen country. When you're ready and you've settled on what to buy, open the product page and select Buy Now. This takes you to the checkout flow. In the shipping address area, choose Change, then select Add New Address. Enter the complete details for where you want your items delivered, keeping everything accurate and formatted the way carriers expect in your region. Apartment or unit numbers, building names, and postal codes are especially important for smooth delivery. Save the address, you'll see it applied to the order. If you plan to use it again, you can keep it selected for future purchases. From here, continue to checkout. Take a moment to confirm that the ship to country at the top matches the address you just added, review shipping methods and fees, and check the estimated delivery window. If anything looks off, you can return to the ship to menu or the address section and make adjustments before paying. That's it, you've changed the ship to destination on Dhgate and updated the shipping address during checkout, ensuring your order goes to the right place.